Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the harmonica jail song. First, let's cover the fundamentals. Hold your harmonica firmly but gently, ensuring a good seal with your lips. Proper breathing is crucial. Use your diaphragm for a steady airflow. You will be drawing air in and blowing air out to produce different notes, typically on a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. To get that classic jail song sound, we will focus on specific holes. The 2-draw, 3-draw, and 4-blow are particularly important. A key technique is bending, especially on the 2-draw and 3-draw notes. This involves changing the shape of your mouth and tongue to lower the pitch, giving you that distinctive bluesy wail. Mastering this takes practice. Now, let's put it together to create the iconic riff. Begin with a clear, strong draw on hole 2. Immediately follow this with a bent draw on hole 3, aiming for that lowered, mournful tone. You can then repeat this 2-note phrase, perhaps adding a quick blow on hole 4 for variation. This simple pattern forms the backbone of the jail song sound. Consistent practice is key to mastering this tune. Start slowly, focusing on clean notes and precise bends before increasing your speed. Once comfortable, try adding vibrato by gently shaking the harmonica or using your diaphragm to pulse the air. Listen to recordings of blues harmonica players to get a feel for the style and discover new ways to embellish your performance. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.